Stop. Before you even think about buying the current Apple TV 4K, you need to see what Apple has been hiding for 2025. We're talking about a complete hardware revolution that turns your living room into a literal AI command center. Yo, welcome back to Tap Tech, where we break down the future before it hits the shelves. Today, we're deep diving into the leaked 2025 Apple TV. And trust me, the new price tag alone is going to change everything. Asterisk, for years, the Apple TV has been the gold standard for streaming, but let's be honest, it's felt a little stagnant lately. We've had the same remote, the same design, and basically the same experience for a while now. But 2025 is the year Apple finally decides to flex its muscles. The leaks are coming in fast, and they point to a device that isn't just a streaming box anymore. It's a gaming powerhouse, a smart home brain, and an AI-driven hub all in one. Let's start with the heart of the machine, the silicon. The current Apple TV 4K runs on the A15 Bionic. Now that's a great chip, but it's essentially iPhone 13 tech. For 2025, Apple is jumping straight into the future with the A17 Pro, the same beast found in the iPhone 15 Pro. Why does this matter for a TV box? One word: gaming. The A17 Pro brings hardware-accelerated ray tracing. You aren't just talking about playing Angry Birds on your big screen anymore. We're talking about consolable titles like Resident Evil Village and Death Stranding. Running natively on your Apple TV, Apple is finally making a serious play for your living room, aiming to compete with the likes of the Nintendo Switch and even entry-level consoles. But the chip upgrade isn't just for gamers. It's the foundation for Apple intelligence. You've seen it on the iPhone and the Mac. But on the Apple TV, it's going to feel like magic. Imagine a Siri that actually works. No more repeating yourself 3 times just to find a movie. With the new neural engine, Siri will have deep contextual awareness. You can say things like, "Find that documentary about space I was talking about on my iPhone earlier." It will know exactly what you mean. The AI will also analyze your viewing habits to create a daily discovery row that feels less like an algorithm and more like a personal assistant who knows your tastes better than you do. Now, let's talk about the rumors that have the tech world buzzing: the built-in camera. Yes, you heard that right. Leaks suggest Apple is testing a version of the 2025 Apple TV with an integrated FaceTime camera. Currently, you have to use continuity camera with your iPhone balanced on top of your TV, which, let's face it, is a bit of a clunky experience. A built-in camera with center stage would allow for seamless video calls, but it goes deeper than that. This camera could enable gesture controls. Imagine pausing a movie just by holding up a hand, or the Apple TV automatically logging into your specific profile just by recognizing your face when you sit on the couch. This is the home hub vision Apple has been dreaming of for a decade. Connectivity is also getting a massive overhaul. We are looking at the debut of the N1 wireless chip. This is Apple's first ever in-house Wi-Fi and Bluetooth silicon. This means 2 things: incredible stability and lightning-fast speeds. The 2025 model is expected to support Wi-Fi 7. If you've upgraded your home router recently, you know how much of a game changer that is for 4K and 8K streaming. No more buffering, even if someone else in the house is downloading a massive file. Plus, with Thread and Matter support being baked even deeper into the hardware, this will be the most reliable smart home hub on the market. Every light, lock, and camera in your house will respond instantly. But wait, there's a twist in the pricing strategy. Usually, new Apple product means new expensive price, but industry analysts, including the likes of Ming-Chi Kuo, are suggesting that Apple might actually drop the price. There's a strong rumor of a $99 entry-level 4K model. Why would Apple do this? Because they want you in the ecosystem. They want you subscribed to Apple TV Plus, Apple Arcade, and Apple Fitness Plus. By making the hardware more affordable, they turn the Apple TV into a Trojan horse for their services. This would make it a direct competitor to the high-end Roku and Fire TV sticks. But with 10 times the processing power and 0 ads in the interface. Design-wise, don't expect a massive departure from the black puck we know and love. But there is talk of a more sustainable build. We're looking at 100% recycled aluminum and a focus on thermal efficiency. Because the A17 Pro is so efficient, Apple can keep the device fanless and silent. Even when you're pushing it with high-end gaming, there's also a whisper about the Siri remote getting a slight refresh, possibly adding the Find My speaker. So you can locate it when it disappears into the couch cushions, a feature that honestly should have been there years ago for the premium audience. There's also talk of a Pro version with 128 gigabytes or even 256 gigabytes of storage. This is essential for those who want to download a library of games or store high-res media locally. This version would likely keep the Ethernet port, ensuring that your 4000 HDR streams have the most stable connection possible. Speaking of HDR, expect expanded support for the latest Dolby Vision profiles and potentially a new Director's Mode that automatically calibrates your TV to show movies exactly how the cinematographer intended. So, when can you get your hands on it? All signs point to a late 2025 release. Apple has been clearing out inventory of the current models, which is always the biggest tell that a refresh is imminent. They want this to be the must-have gift for the 2025 holiday season, the 2025. Apple TV isn't just an incremental update. It's the moment the Apple TV stops being a hobby for Apple and becomes the center of the home. It's a gaming console, an AI assistant, and a cinematic powerhouse. If you've been waiting to upgrade, this is the version you've been waiting for. It bridges the gap between your mobile devices and your living room in a way no other company can. Asterisk, the question is a $99 price tag and an A17 chip enough to make you switch from your Roku or Fire Stick? Or is that built-in camera a step too far for your privacy? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. If you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button and subscribe to Tap Tech for more exclusive leaks. Out. I'll see you in the next one.